Hey there, fellow car enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to dive into a fun and informative topic. Car survival kits. Picture this. Your car breaks down in the middle of nowhere. What would you do? That's where a well-stocked survival kit comes in handy. I recently came across a fantastic concept from an online community called Car Survival Kit. The idea is to have a small bag filled with essential items that can come in handy during a car emergency or just a casual road trip. So, what should you include in your car survival kit? Here's a quick list. 1. Reflective vest and warning triangles for safety. 2. Flashlight and spare batteries for visibility. 3. Multi-function tool for versatile use. 4. Duct tape for quick fixes. 5. Tire pressure gauge for maintenance checks. 6. Jump cables for dead batteries. 7. Basic first aid supplies for emergencies. 8. Trash bag or two to keep your space clean and organized. 9. Towel and wet wipes for cleanup after road work or accidents. 10. Multi-purpose knife with scissors for all sorts of tasks. 11. Duct tape to repair broken items on the go. 12. Spare fuses for electrical repairs. 13 to 20. Add your favorite items to this list. 21 to 25. Share some tips on using these items in an emergency. Thank you so much for tuning in today. Remember, being prepared is key, so don't forget to assemble your own car survival kit based on these helpful tips. And as always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more exciting content like this one. Until next time, stay safe on the roads.